Hi everyone, this is Dylan. Today we visit our client's working site. This is HELI Forklift H series. Let's check the detail. 2 main stage, 3 meters, and with 310 capacity. A steering system with new technologies not only provides a smoother swift and faster positioning and steering, but also effectively ensure operator safety. Large operation space with ergonomic design and configurations make the operation more comfortable and convenient, and effectively enhance the efficiency and safety for operations. Let's check this HANGCHA system. HELI has the most proficient R&D base of cylinders, where we take advantage of the advanced manufacturing technology and detecting means to ensure the reliability of all cylinders of the HANGCHA systems. If you are interested in HELI or HANGCHA forklift, please feel free to contact me. This is Dylan. Thank you.